Hey, what's up, everybody? So, y'all, today I'm showing you how to make these sweet and sticky and spicy honey sriracha chili oil wings. Y'all, this sauce right here is fire, and you can put this on all types of stuff, even some salmon. So, y'all, let me just show you all the ingredients. So, this is all the ingredients that I'm using in this recipe. I'm gonna go through them step by step as I add them to the chicken and to the pan and all of that good stuff. But I just wanted to show you all everything that I'm going to be using. So you got the butter, got the soy sauce, the chili, the crunchy garlic chili oil, the Tony Chachere's, one of my staples, of course a little bit of salt and pepper, the sriracha, some garlic powder, some honey, and my Thai chili flakes that I love. So y'all, I'm using the air fryer today. And as I always say, whenever I'm going to fry some chicken, make sure that your chicken is completely pat dry, nice and clean, and just bone dry before you add anything else to it. So I'm going in with all of the seasonings you see on the screen. I already mentioned them, so I'm not going to do it again because it's redundant. In the meantime, please subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, give me a like, okay? You know, I never really asked y'all to do this, so please give me a like, you know, subscribe. Then you want to just mix everything all up together once you put that all in there. And like I said, I'm using the air fryer, so I like to spray a little non-stick cookie spray onto the air fryer. Put them in there on an even layer. Cook it on about 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes total, flipping them over halfway through, as you see right there. And now, listen to this sound. Yeah, okay, I don't really know if that was necessary or not, but I wanted y'all to just hear that these chicken wings were so crispy. So after I cook the second batch, I'm going to work on my honey sriracha and chili oil sauce. So I'm starting off with a few tablespoons of butter, and then I'm going in with my Thai chili flakes. I got them off of Amazon. Let me know down below in those comments if you want the link to where I got them from, or the actual link to the product. So I just put that in the pan. Then I'm going in with some chili oil or some crunchy garlic chili oil. I believe it even has some almonds, some like sliced almonds or sliced peanuts in there. It's really good. You can find it at any grocery store. You probably can find it on Amazon. I'm not really sure. I got mine in a grocery store. Yeah, make sure you clean up as you go if you spill anything around. Then I'm going in with about a half a teaspoon total of soy sauce. I'm using a quarter teaspoon, little measuring spoon right there. Y'all didn't ask about all of that. So anyway, I'm just going to mix everything all up together before I add in the other couple of ingredients. And I just want to get everything nice and toasty. So next, I'm going to go in with about a third of a cup of honey. Mix that all up in there together as well, just to make sure the honey kind of comes up to temperature a little bit, help it to loosen up a little bit. And after that, I'm going to go in with my sriracha. So I like to use a cup of sriracha to 1/3 of a cup of honey. That's kind of like the ratio I prefer. But you can definitely like scale it up or down, especially depending on how many chicken wings you're using. As you can see, I like spicy food, so that's why I added the Thai chili flakes and that chili oil in there, just to really just drive home the spiciness that I really was looking for with these wings. Of course, you want to balance it out with a little bit of sweetness, so that's why I have the honey in there. Y'all understand that. Y'all get the point. That's why you clicked on the video. So anyway, I'm just mixing everything all up together. I'm just going to let that sauce reduce slightly. Just giving y'all a little close-up to show you all the garlic particles or little chunks or slices in the chili oil. And this is after about a minute or so of cooking on medium heat. And as you can see, that sauce has definitely thickened up a lot. It's kind of reduced a little bit. And now is the perfect time while it's warm, right off the stove, to just pour it all over the top of those wings that we fried in the air fryer. Just want to give it a toss. Use your tongs. That actually is the better method for these kind of wings. And just mix everything all up together. Make sure that sauce is coated on all of those wings. It's going to be so sticky, and just this glaze right here is really good, y'all. Like I said, put it on some salmon. I'm actually going to try to release a video with this over some salmon, because I know it's going to be really good. Anyway, y'all, here's like a final little close-up, final presentation. Hope you enjoy these wings. Let me know what you think of the recipe if you do in fact try it out. And y'all, it's game day, so hope you all enjoy your time. Be responsible. Don't get too crazy. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. And definitely hit the like button, and you can subscribe to the channel because I'll release more videos just like this every single week. Later.